Sorry. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Very good morning. So let's start our session in a few more minutes. Let's other folks can also join. Until then, apart from Zakir and I don't know all of you, but can any one of you are working as an any in any of the organizations?
Hi, ma'am. Jayashree here.
Hey, hi, Jayasree. Good
So,
morning.
yeah, I do have 3 years of experience as a developer in single view tool that is telecom domain. Yeah, I'm trying to switch to ServiceNow.
You are already working?
Yes,
Great, great. Okay. How many years of experience you hold?
3.
3 years, huh? Okay. Got, got you. Okay. So okay. We will start our demo session in few minutes. Let's other folks can join. And apart from Jayasree, anyone else are working here?
Yeah, hi, I'm also a working professional.
Uh-huh. Mallikarjun also working, I guess. Praveen, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah. Praveen, you came to me, right? To meet
Yes,
me.
I pinged you in WhatsApp.
Uh,
And also I called you before.
have you came in the past?
No, no, no. This is the first time.
Oh, okay. This is the first time you came. Oh, okay. Got
Yeah,
you. So let's wait, huh? Okay.
yeah.
I will brief about myself and then start with the content, what I will teach and what is all about ServiceNow and what else we will be having in ServiceNow and all. Still, someone else are trying to join. They are just messaging me. So for tomorrow also, I will be giving you the demo session only. From Monday onwards, the actual sessions will start. Okay. So why? Because someone else has been requested me to say wait till Saturday. So I was just waiting till Saturday. So before that, I just started. Yeah, Vinay. So someone has put their name as Dell. Who is it?
Hello.
Yeah, hi. What's
Yeah,
your name?
my name is Mudakir. Actually, I didn't edit my name here.
Okay, I have changed.
Fine.
Okay, let us try to start in 4 minutes. Okay, let us give us a 4 minutes as a period, cooling period. Later we can start with the session.
Okay.
Allur is early. Is admin. Good morning, Zulekha. You're there?
Yes.
Yeah, this is again the fresh batch actually. If you want to join, just be on call, okay? So the past batch has space would be that should be the last session. Okay. So just try to message me. Okay.
Okay.
You got you?
Yeah. Okay, I will text you.
Yeah, please. So Subhani, can we start, or else do we need to wait for some time, like till like 2 minutes?
Yeah, some members are still joining. Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Sure. So until then, instead of waiting for more time, so basically, let anyone know about ServiceNow. Do anyone know about ServiceNow? I mean, why we are here and what's the training we are trying to provide, and what is the use of ServiceNow? Once again, someone is messaging me. Have you joined? Someone with the name of Anjali, she is messaging me. Can you please check, Subhani?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, chalo. Can I start? Admin, Subhani?
Yes, Imran.
Yeah. Can I start?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. So yeah, so let me brief about myself, and later on we will discuss about what and all. So my name is Mohammad Imran, and I was having around total 10 years of experience with ServiceNow and overall theme. So basically, I have graduated in 2013. Okay, and later on, I worked for some MNC companies actually. So my first company was ICICI Bank, and my graduation is of triple E actually. So electrical and electronics engineering. So I don't have an expertise in scripting in the first. Later on, I have joined for DevOps. I have joined for Power BI, and I have done multiple tools. But later on, at last, nothing has got survived. I just survived in ServiceNow because of the lightweighted tool, and it is very easy to learn. So that's the reason I have been chosen ServiceNow as an development tool for us. And apart from this, I have trained multiple people. I can't say it in word numbers, but I have taught multiple people, and I do have a YouTube channel with the name of JPS ServiceNow Trainings. And later on, I have given corporate trainings, and I have given taught multiple trainings as well. And currently as well, I was working with one of the big MNC company, and I do have expertise with all the ITSM, HRSD, and all those things. Basically, why we are here, because so basically we need to learn the service now. Actually, what is meant by service now? Service now is an uh, cloud-based ITSM platform. The word itself is representing like ITSM, information technology service management. Actually, service management. The word itself is representing it as service management. What is meant by a service? Mean we are trying to give service to the employees. Let's take for example, if you are in a family, if you are having any issues with uh, something, like I can say it as you are having an issue with your brother, or else you are having any issues with someone else in your family or something, then you will ask your father to resolve that particular issue, right? So in the same way, if internal employees in the organization is using his laptop or desktop or LAN networks and whatever it is, if he is facing any issues, so first and foremost thing what he will be doing, he will be raising a complaint stating that his mobile or else his asset is or his network is not working as expected. So in the same way, so before going deeper into the service now, what it is, let me try to go with this PPT. Later on, we can work for this. So as you can see here, I will be giving an extensive experience. I have an extensive experience, and I was working for big MNC company background, and I was a trainer as well as a mentor for multiple organizations. And currently, I was working as an subject matter expertise in my current organization and current role. So I will be teaching, and I will be telling you the difference between the other tutors as well as me, because actually I was working in an organization. Apart from that, I will also give trainings. So that's the reason I know what's the current update of the tool. So I will be keeping myself updated so that I can train very well to you. And one more thing here is like in other trainings, they will just whatever it is, they can you. I mean, if they are not working as well, they can also give the training. So there will be the big difference between us and the one who was not doing the job. So that's the reason what I was telling you is like I will be teaching you daily with the scenario based interview questions I can give, as well as we will be more focusing on the job oriented only over here. So why we are trying to give the job oriented program, because uh, all can give the trainings. The only difference, the only thing what we can do is like the only difference what you can get is like the only thing, the job. Everyone can give the training. Okay, so the main thing what you are trying to do is like job oriented thing. So basically, if you are having the job oriented thing, then only you can get succeed in your lives. without having succeeded in your life, it is waste of time. Okay, so we will be having multiple tools in our daily livings. Okay, so apart from this, uh, you have to learn. The only things which you have in your hands is like to learn. Okay, getting the job, getting placements, leave it to me. I have multiple things to do so that I can perform multiple ways. I will perform multiple ways to get focus on your jobs. So the only thing which is there in your hands is to make some little bit of hard work for minimum of 12 months, sorry, 45 days. Okay, so it's 45 days is more than enough, ma. Okay, if you are concentrated for only 45 days, your life will be in your hands. Till now, you enjoyed your life, that's fine. So you just take a good decision and just come to me, tell you how to get placed in very big MNC. Okay, so as you can see here, I have worked for globally. Not only I have worked for Indian projects. Okay, so apart from Indian projects, also I just worked for multiple companies, and I have done some multiple jobs as well in other organizations from US. Till today as well, I have placed in the last month, not only in India. So I have placed them in London, US, Dubai, Saudi, and all the UAE countries, as well as UK, US, everything. We are having some consultancies tie up. So they will get back to us, and we will be giving them the trainings and get them placed. So this is a thing which we will be doing on daily basis on the nights for other countries and in the morning for India. So as you can see here, I have trained, not only I can say it as 1,000, I can say it around 2,000 plus, but for in time being, I just kept as 1,000 students. Many of them are now successfully placed in very good MNC companies. So I can share you the some of the feedbacks of mine. So after the session at the last, I will be sharing you whatever the things which I have been my students has achieved. I will be showing it you now. So this week as well, we have got around two offers. One is from okay, I don't want to say the company details. So we have got two offers from very good companies. Those are also the MNC companies. On every week, we will be having a good fruitful day, and we will be. Once I teach, na definitely you can crack the interviews on your own without any support. Okay, but the only difference between me and others are like they will won't help you in jobs, but now I can help you in jobs to get placed. I have multiple ideas to get placed. I can show an expertise in joining those things. Okay, so no need to worry about it. So again, I'm saying the only thing which is there in your hands are like to study well. Okay. And only this 45 days, we are just not only, we are not building any rocket science over here, right? It is just a matter of a service now, a small subject. Okay. So we are not preparing for IPS civil services examinations or something. We are just having a small tool which we need to focus on. Okay, so later on, I will be teaching you three things over here. So one is in service now, we will teach around three things. If we are taking this service now as this, we have been three things over here. One is development. I hope you can see my screen, right? Sorry. So if you
Yes.
see, so this I will be telling you development, admin topics, as well as integrations. Okay, so I will be teaching you three things in ServiceNow. One is development, administration part, as well as integrations part. So nowadays, some people are coming to my institute and saying that, sir, I don't want the development part. I just want to get directly placed in admin part. So in there is nothing much like that. Okay, so if you want to go as an admin as well, first you need to learn development and then integrations only. No one in the organizations are only getting the job for admin departments or only for development or only for integrations. All the three should have. Okay, so who will comes under the developer, who will comes under the admin, who will comes under the integrations? Let us try to check. Integrations is a part of an service now. So now let us try to go with the development. So I will tell you one small example. So let us try to IRCPC. So if you see here, as you can see here, listen carefully. Yeah? So I will just try to give a simple example and then wind up. Okay. So as you can see here, what is the date today? What's the date today? It's around 30, right? Yes or no? Can you please make
Yes.
this an interactive so that
Yes.
that will be good for us. So as you can see here, there is a date is 30 today. So can I select the date which is for yesterday? Can I select the date for yesterday?
No.
Why can't I select the date for yesterday?
Because it's already past. Like we can book past day tickets.
Yeah, it's already passed away. So we can just try to book the tickets for the upcoming days, but not for the yesterday, right?
Yes.
So coming back to the date of birth, can I have the date of birth after today?
No.
No, the date of birth should always be the past date,
Previous.
previous one.
Yes.
Yes. So basically, this type of enhancements will comes under the developer skills. This will comes under who will develop that functionality as a ServiceNow developer. You will develop. So actually, this is the one. Let me try to. This is our ServiceNow interface. This is known as a personal developer instance. What it is known as? Personal developer instance. Let me try to, you need not to worry about it. I will be telling you from the scratch how to create this particular things and how to change this logo. So everything. So basically what ServiceNow has given is like, let us take for example, I have created one table. So you don't know what is meant by table. You don't know what is what. Okay. We are just trying to get this done. Okay. So login date and time. So as you can see here, there is an option called under warranty. So if you're trying to click on this, there is an option called date of purchase. What it is? Date of purchase. So basically the date of purchase should not be the future date. Okay, so no problem. Just try to forget about this. Okay, so as you can see here, I was just telling you the enhancement like so this particular date should not be the past dated value. Sorry, future dated. It should accept only the future date, not the past dated. This type of enhancements will be done by the developer. And coming back to the admin, so I was trying to enter IRCTC and I just clicked on this. So later on, now it has opened. That's fine. But what happened in the past is like whenever I was trying to open, it is not allowing me to enter into this particular page. Okay, it is not allowing me to enter. That means what you understood? After entering, I can give my details like something uh, Hyderabad or whatever it is. So whatever it is, I can give. But before entering into this particular page, can I enter any details into it? No, I can't enter any details. Why? Because the page itself hasn't opened. No. How can I give the details of it? I can't give the details without entering into this particular page. Basically, this is known as a page, and in these are called as a fields. This is from is one field, to is one field, and one more thing I have given as Madi. And can I give Madhi again here? So sorry, Madhi. So basically the from and the two dates are same, right? So this is a bug actually. From IRCTC, there will be some testers. So basically, as you can see here, from and to, that means the arrival and the destination is same. Is this the correct one?
No.
No.
You're getting my point, everyone. So
Yes.
what I'm trying to teach you, I mean, how the developer works, I was telling you. Later, I will tell you how the other admin and testers will do. So basically, this is a bug, no? If anyone is
Yes.
trying to give the from destination and the two destinations should not be the same. Arrival and the destination should not be the same. If I selected Hyderabad and if I am selecting again Hyderabad, is this the correct format, Ray?
No.
We can
No.
complain to IRCTC actually. Why? Because it is a bug. The testers of the government, this is from government, right? So TCS will be taking care of government jobs, government
Portals.
portals. All the government portals will be taken care by Infosys and TCS. Both things, not other than this. They will definitely give both. That's the reason. See, as you can see here, the from and the two are same. That it should not accept at the beginning of itself. Whenever you are trying to give the from date, the from the to date, it should not accept the same origin. So this is a bug actually. We have found some bug. So this type of enhancements will be so now testers will test it and give the testing scenarios like testing case to the developer stating that no from and the two dates are getting same. Just try to resolve.
Disable one from the
Yeah,
okay.
once you select the from date from location, two
Throw an
locations
ad.
the same. So this type of enhancements will be conducted by the developer, not the admin. Now, admin, let's take for example, you are trying to enter into your Facebook or else Facebook. I'm trying to log in and I'm trying to give my details. Okay. And I'm trying to give my details and I'm trying to give my details. Oh my God, it's entered or what? Okay. So what it is showing? The password that you have entered is incorrect. Right? It is asking me to click on the forgot password so that it will navigate to other things. So now I have entered 3 to 4 times. Okay, I have entered something, 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 and I have entered to login. So it haven't allowed me to log in. Now, what is the next step? Even if I have clicked on the forget password, it is not helping me to log in into the Facebook account. Now, what I need to do? Either I can call the Facebook account admin people to reset my password. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So that will comes under the admin details. So how many times I have been logged in, how much time I was there on the Facebook, everything will be taken care by the admin team. Okay, logins, logouts, logins, logouts, whether there are any issues, those things will comes under the admin team. So now let us try to go with the integrations. What is meant by integrations? The word itself is representing it as an integrating with other third party tools. Let's take for example, we are using WhatsApp. Let us take this is ServiceNow and another tool is like WhatsApp. So this is ServiceNow and WhatsApp. These two are two different tools, right? WhatsApp is one application, ServiceNow is also one application. But I want to build the functionality like uh, nowadays in WhatsApp, we are getting some bots like LG bot. If you are having any issues, you are getting some messages. No, if your network is not working as expected, you can directly message to that particular bot so that he will give some troubleshoot, or else he will connect to the help desk person. Yes or no? In WhatsApp, you are trying to get that message right, right in some before some days ago. Hello, we are getting some messages. So in ServiceNow, what I will give is like they will create some bot. Bot is like a it is just like an what I can say, it's a virtual member or virtual agent. So this particular bot message they will send to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, if you are having any issues, you will be trying to send a message to bot. So automatically it should connect to the ServiceNow. This is not an integration. That means this is other tool and this is other tool. We are trying to, whenever you are trying to send the message as hello, I have an issue with my device. Hello, I have a issue with login. So automatically it should trigger a message in ServiceNow or else create a incident in ServiceNow. It should create a incident in ServiceNow. So what I was trying to say is like it is trying to create a record in ServiceNow. So now whenever you are trying to create a record in ServiceNow, so there will be some middlewares like REST. Either we can do the integration with the help of REST or SOAP or something. You don't know about what it is, but leave it. Leave it as it is. I was just telling you the process how the integrations will start with other third-party tools. So now these are all the things which we will be having. So now this is meant for integrations. That means other third-party tools are trying to talk to ServiceNow. That means this particular things should integrate between these tools. For integrations, we are having for let's take for example, this is one member Ray. Okay, he is one member and he is
Yes.
another member. So he just wanted to talk to. Let us take this is Meenakshi. And this is let's take for it is Manoj. Okay, so let's take for example Manoj wants to talk to Meenakshi. First and foremost thing what Manoj should have before having this anything. So what Manoj should have one mobile, right?
Yes.
He should have some mobile phone. That means to integrate the ServiceNow with other third-party tools as well, we will be having a media called REST or SOAP. In the same way, if he is having the mobile phone, then only he can connect. And one more thing, what he needs to have is Meenakshi's phone number he should have, right? So basically, this phone number will be known it as an endpoint. Mobile number is like an integration which is trying to start the integration. First and foremost thing, the mobile phone should have. Later on, which number he needs to dial, that is considered it as an endpoint. So basically, as you are new to ServiceNow, you don't know what is meant by endpoint, you don't know what is meant by REST, you don't know what is meant by SOAP. Leave it on me. For now, you just try to just link it. Okay, you don't want to know whatever it is. I was teaching you from the scratch. Okay, so one more thing I will tell you is like my trainings will be like an diagrammatical representations. So whatever it is, as you can see here, I will be teaching you CMDB, discovery, and everything. Everything I will be teaching it in a diagrammatical way so that you can understand very clearly. Even a 10 class guy or else whoever it is. So you can easily understand by seeing the picture representation, right? So nowadays, you can explain very well the Bahubali, right? Because the graphical representations are very good, and you can easily, I mean, you can tell around 5 to 10 minutes easily. What about how the Bahubali started his career and how everything, right? So as because that is an diagrammatical way and the graphical representations. Because of the graphical representations, you as a human being we can easily understand that particular language. So in the same way I will try to teach these integrations whatever it is, all the topics in service now I will teach you in a this format only. As you can see, yes, this is all about the integrations. See, we will be batching the process. If we are having lakhs of records, how we need to dump into the service now, in how many ways we can do it, what are the relation between once ever the record got created, whatever the everything I can teach you, ma. If you see all these things, you will get afraid of this particular service. No, right now I'm saying is I'm also came from the non-technical background. Honestly, I'm saying to keep a note of it. I was came from the non-technical background. I have zero experience in software languages. Right now, I was in this position to taught or teach you. So, what I was trying to tell you is like the only thing you have to learn things very well. Okay, so always make you up. Don't think every God has given brains to all. Everyone has the same brain. Okay, for some people it is around 2 kgs, 3 kgs, not like that. Everyone has the same brain and same thoughts. The only thing is like hard work. If you do hard work now, God itself will give you the good successful life. Okay, now we are at minimum of 30 or about to 30. Someone else are about to 30 and someone has crossed 30. This is a life where you have to be very, I mean, what I can say it as you need to lead a happy life in a simple way. We are not building any rocket science or nothing over here, right? So till now you need to settle down, ma. At least nowadays to be in a society, at least you need to get 1 lakh of salary. If not, you should be in a government jobs. You are not getting 1 lakh of salary and you are not there in the government job, then it's up to you now. No one will calculate you in your families. So nowadays, if there is no such type of environment in your lives, no one will, what I can say, give a value to you. Someone will say that money makes nothing. Nothing. If you have money, then only you can survive in lives, or else you will get a good value. Everything we can get only of money, mom. The only thing is like if you haven't settled down, just be calm for 10 minutes and listen to your heart. What heart and mind is saying to you. Okay, just 45 days will decide your lives. Someone here are getting the jobs, but they can't sustain in their lives. That is also a different scenario again. That will make more sorrowness. Even if you are not getting the job, that is particularly fine. Once after you get the job and you are not surviving is a big scenario. That should you should take the challenging part. You should why I am not surviving in the life. That is a big task. Okay. So nowadays, multiple people are coming. I was not pointing to anyone else. Okay. I'm sorry if you heard. So I was just telling you because I have seen multiple people in my life. See, they were trying to get the jobs as because they are having the genuine documents and all. Even if you are not having the genuine documents, that leave it on me. So they are just doing a job of around 2 months or 3 months. Again, the job is going. I mean, they are just firing out their employees because of he don't have much talent. Either he is not performing well, either he is not understanding the requirement. Still, he is doing 2 to 3 months of job, but still he is not understanding what he needs to do. That is also a big deal to us. So that's the reason what I say always just try to prepare well. So day before yesterday, someone came. He is from Andhra, I guess. Okay. I don't want to tell the region as well. Okay. So he just came to me and saying that, Anna, I don't want anything else. I was just getting married. I was getting good dowry in my account. So I don't want anything else. I just need job within 10 days. I need to get married in the next month. Okay. I just need an offer letter to to get her married. Is this the correct way? That will comes under the fraud. So
That's
No.
he's
It's the biggest fraud.
he's literally saying like, Anna, I have a girl and everything is set. I just need job.
What
My
happens like after 2 months or a month, he'll lose the job.
he lose the job. That's
He's
what
like,
I'm saying. He see,
like
not only he will suffer, the girl who is marrying her also will get suffered. That's the reason, right? Nowadays, literally, I'm saying, nowadays ladies are seeing for 1 year of bank statement as well as
that is
salary slip.
also like they were pointing it as a wrong thing.
Yes, yes, yes. So basically,
Because we have
No,
seen a lot like these, and they,
they will get divorced or something will
yeah,
happen for sure. So that is not a big one, right? So the okay, you are getting married. That is very good news. But learn no. After learning, if you get the job, even if clients ask you to do some task, you can easily do the task. Yes. So that's the reason I'm saying. So please try to give your 45 days of time and then learn very well. So nowadays AIs are came, artificial intelligence are came, everything came. So in ServiceNow, just to try to listen only one thing. In ServiceNow, we will be having around 70 percentage of admin things will be there, and 30 percentage of 30 percentage we will be having around development. So in development we will be having the scripting part as well. So we are having a chat GPT, Copilot, we are having multiple. Okay, so AI doesn't make any effect to everyone. I'm definitely saying na AIs are there in before as well. Before in the sense, before 20 years also the AIs are there. But nothing has affected service, no, nothing has affected nothing. Only the non-technical things will get affected, but AI will never ever do anything else. So see, bro, AI also invented, but with by one human being only, right? So even if you are, let's take for example, you are trying to go in a train. Okay, so the for train we need to have a loco pilot, right? Without having the loco pilot, does the train move? No, right? In the same way, for AI as well, we need to give the correct prompts to him. Without giving the correct prompt, AI doesn't work properly. Why? Because AI is like just a tool, ma. Whatever you ask, if it will give the syntax or it will give whatever it is. So that's the reason this particular 30 percentage, whatever the scripting is there, you can easily first learn what I say. Later on, AI is there to help. Okay, but don't think like AI jobs are coming because of AI, the software jobs are going. Nothing is there like that. Someone will say like they will never start, ma. That's the reason we will stay. We will say like never, sorry, be late than never. Late is fine, but never is waste. Better be late than never. At least you try, no? God is there to help us. However, He will give, however, He has given you the life. Why can't He provide you the good job or good money or like that? Just give a try. Later, leave it on God. Whatever it happens, it's up to you. At least you can learn the things, no? So don't sit idle. So you have done BTech and WebTech or whatever it is, whatever the degree, whatever it is. So just try to make a note of it that AI or whatever it is. Most and most probably, I'm saying now in softwares we will do it around still from today. Most probably from 25 years we will be taking the retirement rate. Why 25 years it will go in a while. Okay, see, I have passed out in 2013. Till now, my years of experience is 10 plus. So still I need to work only 25 years. Why can't I make as 25 years and take a retirement? However, in softwares, we will not have the retirement like that. But no one will do after 25 years. This torture and whatever it is. Not about the torture. If you are good with your skills, you will never ever feel like torture. Okay. So only thing is like in our childhood as well, if you if someone if a teacher or any sir has said you to do the homework and come back tomorrow, if you are not doing the homework, then only you will afraid. Yes or no? Yes or
yes,
no, guys?
yes, yes,
In the same way here as well, client will give you the requirement. If the next day you are, if you are not giving you not giving or posting the requirement, so you will have definitely afraid it. So if you are there with your skills ready, no one will touch you. Even if you are fake as well, if you are performing very well, no one will touch you, ma. Okay, I have placed in multiple MNC companies. Right from zero experience as well, I have placed them. They are still now working for around 3 to 4 years. Why? Because they have given the hard work and then trying to get the job. Now, Seema, let us come back to the service now. So, as I said, I have told you the scenarios like how the developers work, how the admin works, and everything. So, let me try to teach you how what is the service now and all. So, why service now will come into picture. Let's take, for example, you are a person. Okay. So, let's take person. You are the person. Okay, this is, let us take, this is some telecom. Telecom in the sense we are having some Geo and we are having Airtel, Geo or Airtel or something, etc. Okay, so basically as a user, as a as a user of this particular telecom devices, you have tried to recharge your mobile phone. Okay, so the mobile phone, let's take for example my mobile number. So you have tried to recharge this mobile number. Okay. So you recharged this mobile number. However, I was trying to again dial the other numbers. Okay. So let us take 8898565222. This is admin number. I have tried to dial this mobile number. So it is not allowing me to dial. It is still showing as please recharge your mobile phone. I have recharged with around 2000 rupees. Okay, 2000 rupees. But when I was trying to call the other numbers, it is still showing the error as please try to call, please try to recharge your number. So what is the issue? So as a user, can you trace that why the issue is happened? No, right? As a user, you can't. So what is the first thing which you will be doing, ma? You will be trying to call one Geo people. Like we will be having one number, right? Yes or no? You will be
Yeah,
having
right.
one helpline number like
Yeah.
1800 something something, right?
Yeah.
So if you call the
Customer
help,
service number.
yeah, customer service number. So if you call this customer service number, he will be resolving the issue. He will say that, sorry sir, the database hasn't updated yet. So just give us 5 to 10 minutes so that it will get updated and your calling will be started. So in the database, it should update. He will give you the whenever you are trying to call this number, agent will get agent. Agent, we will call it as agent, or else we will call it as help desk people. Okay, agent or help desk people. So what he will do? He will be giving you the one number. What number it is called it as? Help desk. I can say it as what I can say. This INC complaint number. He will give giving you the complaint number, right? Complaint number, so that you can trace this complaint number, stating that who else are working on this particular number, how much time it will take. So you can trace it with the help of this complaint number. Once ever again, if you call you the help desk person, what he will say, sir, is this the first time you are trying to call us, or else the complaint is already raised? So you will say like my complaint is already there. So this is my complaint number. INC 2415425 is my number. So you can directly call you can so he will check the status and tell you. Now where comes the service now? Service now is the one. This number is clear, right? INC 2415425. This number will get generated in service now. So we will can call it as an incident. So as you can see here, the help desk. I'm the help desk people. I'm trying to take some people called Abdul Rahim. So let us try to give the short description as Geo recharge is not working. And SN2 person is working on it. So sorry if I'm giving a wrong spelling mistakes. So as you can see here, network. So it will comes under the network, and I'm trying to assign to some people, and I'm trying to save this. As soon as you save, so this particular number is there, right? This number you will be generating and giving it to the user. Now the user will check what is the issue and how much time it will take. Everything he can trace it. Without having this tool, can I generate this number? No, right? That is the reason we will call it as an ITSM tool, service management tool. Okay. So basically now service now. Where comes the service now is, so you are trying to call this particular people, and one more thing what happening is like he is unable to lift the call. You have called 100 times to these people, but he is not at all lifting the phone. Will you be taking this service? No, right? Who are
No.
trying to give the good service, you will be trying to go to them. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the reason what I was telling you is like the one who is giving you the good service, you will be trying to go with them. Not only this one, bro. Even if you have taken the washing machine, even if you are taking the LG air conditioners, whatever it is, the one who is providing you the good service, you will be going to them. So nowadays, multiple organizations are there, ma. Multiple organizations in the world is trying to use ServiceNow because it is having the good ITSM tool. Not only the ITSM, after ServiceNow came, SAP has been laid down. To be honest, okay, SAP and everything has got down because of ServiceNow. So ServiceNow, not only the ITSM tool or not only the ticketing tool, it is having the repositories to store the whatever the assets which we are having in the organization will get stored in the ServiceNow itself. Whatever the issues, how many networks are using in the using in the organizations, how many people are there, how many organizations are there, how many tables are there, how many chairs are there, how many networks are there, how many servers are there, everything will be maintained by ServiceNow. That's the reason ServiceNow is in very big boom, and for next 30 to 40 years as well, there is no other tools which can block ServiceNow. So now, so let me try to, yeah. So cloud based, what is meant by cloud and what is meant by ServiceNow as a software as a service, platform as a service, and modular applications and user friendly application. So now, if you see one small example, I will tell you the example. Huh? So I have opened the Google. So this is my Google page. So can I try to change this particular logo from Google to my JPS account?
No.
Can I do? Why? Why can't I perform this action? Why? Because I'm
Can you
just a
please?
user to Google. I'm not the developer of Google, right?
We don't have access for
Don't have
to
access.
modify.
So basically, can I change this? Basically, it is showing as Gmail, images, and everything, right? So can't I move this particular Gmail images to this side and about and store to this side? Can't I make that?
No, we can't.
If I am the developer of Google, can I do it?
Yeah, you can do
Yes.
it.
So now comes the ServiceNow. Basically, this is the ServiceNow account. Okay, you don't know how to create the ServiceNow account. Tomorrow as well, I will teach you how to create the ServiceNow account and I will start with the sessions. Okay, so on daily basis, we will be having the 9 to 10 only. So now as you can see here, if I want to change this logo, I can change. If I want to change this particular from this particular updates, you don't know about the updates right now. I will tell you in the easy language, right? Okay, forget about this. As a user, okay, you have bought an Android mobile. Android mobile. Okay, you have bought the Android mobile. So there is a wallpaper which is already present on your mobile phone. Okay, this is an Android mobile you have been purchased. On the Android mobile, you are having a wallpaper of some Shah Rukh Khan like that. Shah Rukh Khan wallpaper is there. Okay, so basically, you want to change this particular Shah Rukh Khan logo to yours logo. Can you do it? You
Yes.
want to change
Yes.
logo to your logo called Ramu. Yours logo should keep. Can you do it?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Because you have
It's
purchased the mobile. Yes or no?
yes.
You have purchased the mobile with lakh rupees or 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, whatever it is. You have purchased this particular product. That's the reason you can do whatever enhancements you can do. Yes or no? In the same way, ServiceNow also the same. ServiceNow is one of the tool which is invented by Fred Lady. Okay, so basically ServiceNow, this is the tool. Now you can use for your organizations and you can change whatever the configurations which you can do it. That is known as a software as a service. This is a software he has given to everything to use as a service. You are getting my point. That is the difference between software as a service and platform as a service also we can call it as. So see, history of ServiceNow. Basically, ServiceNow has been initially started as GlideSoft. ServiceNow, what is the first name of ServiceNow? GlideSoft.
Soft.
Just try to remember, okay? Why? Because you will keep around 2 to 3 years of experience and then join in any of the organizations, right? So at least you need to have this little bit of idea. So GlideSoft, what it is?
Lights.
GlideSoft.
Lights.
Later it has been renowned as ServiceNow in
Service.
2006. Who is the current CEO? Bill McDermott
Well,
is the current CEO of ServiceNow. So market success rate, everything you can see it, right? Okay. So if you want to see about ServiceNow, you can also directly navigate to here and ServiceNow share price. Now it's going down today. See, most probably it will be going to up. I too don't know how to say this, but the share market will always be up for ServiceNow. Okay, so one more thing here is like ServiceNow releases two versions released auto annually. So one more thing, so in ServiceNow for every year there will be two versions. How many versions more for ServiceNow? ServiceNow will get released with two versions every time. This is one and this is two. Every year we will be having two things. Okay, and one more thing, it will be released in an European alphabetical names. So as you can see, the ServiceNow versions, ServiceNow versions. So if you click on this, see, it has started in 2004 with the name of GlideSoft, January 2006, 7, 8, 9. For now, see, from 2001, it is very good boom actually. So as you can see here, it is in a alphabetical names. Aspen, Berlin, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So as you can see here, now the present version is Zurich. After Zurich, they said that again they will start with the Australia. Okay, the present version which is running for Q4 is Zurich. Okay, please try to remember. In interviews, they will ask this interview question from which version you have been trying to start the working for ServiceNow. So if you are keeping 4 years of experience, that means in 2020. What it is the in 2020? Orlando. What it is?
Orlando.
Orlando. Just try to make a note of this. Okay. However, I will on daily basis, as you can see here, I will be adding this all the things in the drive. Right from the first session, I will be adding it from today's session also. I will be adding it into the drive, and on daily basis, the morning sessions will be there from 9 to 10, and every day I will be adding the videos like this so that you can check the videos and then start with your learnings. Okay, and I will try to start with the each and everything I will tell you right from the scratch how to create the personal developer instance and how to start the logos, end the logo, how to create the ServiceNow instance, whatever it is. As you can see here, each and everything will be there, and the scripting parts also will be there. How to start from? I will start from the simple things. Later on, I will go with the in-depth concepts. Why? Because as you all know, if the trainer is very good, you can go wherever you can. I know the pain of not having the good trainer. So as you can see here, see everything I will tell you. Whatever the methods are you having with the client script, server side script, everything I will be noted down over here as a pictorial representations, or else I will give some tasks on daily basis. So here you can give. So as you can see the tasks. See how many tasks I was trying to give. On daily basis, I will be giving you the tasks, sir. See, all of those are tasks only. Whenever it is needed, I will give you the tasks. So you need to perform it for sure and come back for the next sessions. Okay. So only thing is like be sincere. That's it. So as you can see, ITSM, as I said about the ITSM as well. HRSD. Now, what is meant by HRSD in our service now? So basically, in some of the organizations, we will be having some onboarding, offboarding, life cycle. Sorry, before that, I just wanted to complete this. See, so it will be there in an alphabetical versions. So one more thing you will come into your mind like, so what if we need to be updated all the time? If ServiceNow will release two versions daily, okay, two versions on daily basis. So how can we be updated all the time? So no need to be updated all the time. And I will tell you the scenario. Like you have bought the mobile, Android mobile. For every 2 months or 3 months, you will get one notification on the top. Just try to update your mobile update your mobile, Android mobile. That means your Android mobile will get changed into the Apple phone if you update. Is that possible?
No.
If you are trying to update your mobile, is it will get changed to Android to Mac OS or Apple phone? No, right? It is just a it will just try to change
Fix
the
the bugs.
patches, fix
Yes.
some issues. Like the way ServiceNow also does the same thing. There will be nothing difference. The only difference will be like some icons will get changed to your mobile. So those type of things will happen, right? In the same thing here as well. Okay. Now, if you see here, ServiceNow also will release two versions. There will be just a little bit of patches and everything will be there. So coming back to the HRSD in for onboarding, offboarding. So basically, in the past, there is one organization. Okay, they are trying to just onboard one particular person, so, but he don't know when to join, when to come to the organizations, when to start his induction. Everything they will be mailing us, mailing them. What if the particular user mailbox is full, or what if the user is unable to catch up with this particular HR or organizations? So that's the reason he will have this HRSD. Our service now has implemented the HRSD so that HRSD a little bit I will cover in our training. Not only ITSM I will train. I will try to give the HRSD as well. Okay. In HRSD we will be having around some of the things like onboarding, offboarding, life cycle events. If someone else trying to harass you, those type of things can be performed with the help of HRSD. Okay. So now, so let me try to.
So actually, like entire onboarding can be taken care by a platform instead of
Yes.
an individual person.
Yes. Entire thing, right from beginning of the interview starting till he get placed. After getting placed, also we will be providing him one ticket. So, like the way we are trying to give this incident ticket, right? Like
Yeah.
the way for HRSD, we will be having a HR cases. As you can see here, all HR cases. So he will be trying to provide the background verification documents, all those documents he will be uploading in this particular HR case only. Here there is an option to upload the attachments. So if it is a sensitive files, then what he will do is like he will just try to encrypt. Encrypt and the decrypt also we will have that option to do. Encryption, the decryptions also we can perform with the help of ServiceNow. Not only the onboarding, offboarding, everything right from the interview process to till the completion of the onboarding. This HR process will get saved. So that is known as the life cycle events, ma. What it is known as
Okay.
life cycle events. In the life cycle events, we will be having set of activities. Activities like sending an onboarding mail, sending welcome kit. Welcome kit will be sent after the joining or before the joining.
After joining.
Before joining, welcome kit. I mean, like sending you
Short
earphone, you the
Oh,
laptop, those things,
assets. Okay.
assets and everything. Asset after joining, but welcome kit like some
Gift hampers.
some like type of
Bag.
chair, those type of things will be sent before the joining of employee. So those type of things. Okay. Yeah. So, well, those things will be taken care by the ServiceNow HRSD. So, not only these things, why? Because I was prompting you all these things because all these things will be covered in ServiceNow. So field service management also there. Like the way if washing machine has been got stuck and if got fault, so in the online only he can perform the duties. As because I have said you one small scenario like the mobile number is not. I mean even if I recharged, the mobile number is not getting the he unable to call other users. So this is happened because this can be happened on online only. Why? Because servers and everything can be restarted by the help desk persons you can do. But what if it is a hard device like washing machine or freezer or whatever it is? If you are taking the washing machine, so what if you are trying to call this help desk person, what he will do? Okay, sir, I will be sending you one technician to your home. He will send like that, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This the field service management. What it is known as
Field service man.
field service management. Okay, not we will be having multiple things in service, not TTH. Okay, so as I was telling you, even you are a non-technical guy, you can try to learn service now because it is having the low code development. Okay, service now itself will say if it is a scripting part, just try to neglect it. We will get you in the next upgrades. So scenarios, as I said, right? Automatically setting the incident priority to high and create and related incident task. So this is fine, ma. I have covered multiple things without moving the PPT. Okay, so now I will tell you one small scenario. Just keep a eye here. Mm, I'm sorry if I'm taking large most session. If I'm taking more time, where is that? Yeah, here it is. So now as you can see here, if you're just I will tell you one catalog item example. It is just a catalog item. So let's take for example, you are there in the organizations, okay, and you have completed your project. After successful completions, the client said like you can book the OnePlus phone, okay, as because you are given the good service to the customer, they said they offered you the mobile phones to book. So once our your as you can see here, there is a OnePlus mobile. As soon as you clicked on submit button, it should go for the approval of manager. Once after you go, it should go for the approval of manager. It should create a catalog task to check the stock room, whether that particular mobile is available in the stock room or not. If yes, it should create another task, catalog task to send this particular mobile phone to the employee. So basically this type of scenario. After that, we need to send some successful notification and then stop the flow. If the manager has been rejected, it should send an unsuccessful message to the user and then stop the flow. So this type of scenario can be performed This type of things can be performed with the help of workflow or flow designer. What it is known as in the service now, we are having a concept called workflow or flow designer. With the help of that, we can easily perform this. Okay. So this is like a pipeline mark. Each and every individual task, once after the record got created, it should go for the approval of manager. After going to the approval of manager, who is prompting this all these things as a developer, you need to design this. As you can see here, we are having this option called workflow editor. See, let me go into it. Let me try. Please try to give your 5 minutes of your valuable time. Let me finish. Okay. Yeah, as you can see here, this is the engine mark. How it should go for the approval of manager. If approved, what should happen? If rejected, what should happen? This rollback, turn style. I will tell you when this topic starts. So what I was telling you is like even if you are a non-technical, even if you are having gap, even if you are don't know how to write a single piece of code, nothing else. Please try to forget everything and just try to come with a zero knowledge and just come with the zero skills. I am there to help you. I will definitely get you placed in any of the organizations. Okay, let me try to go with this and just tell you the scenarios. So yeah, outcome I have given you the flow designer. Flow designer also we are having ma. I don't want to tell about that. Flow designer also the one which is used to automate each and everything. Like the way we are trying to go with the workflow, we are nowadays in an upgradations, they have been given the flow designer. With the help of flow designer also, you can perform the tasks very well. So yeah, so forgot about it. And streamlined, yeah, approval, as you can see the approvals and everything. As you can see here, I just now I taught you regarding this approval, employee request for software access. Not only the asset, you can also request for the software access as well. So an automated yeah. So nowadays on your birthday, SBI Bank or whatever banks it is, so you are getting the birthday wishes. Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically, is the manager sending you the messages? I mean, happy birthday to you like that? No, right? It is a system generated mail. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So those things also will be done by the developer itself. Developer will implement a scheduled job. Whenever the date and the month matches with the current date and the month, automatically we need to send a notification. That is the logic behind.
Hmm.
What logic you need to write, what thing you need to perform, those things will be conducted in the by the developer. Okay, that is known as a scheduled job. Okay, Nama. So as you can see here, future will be around more upcoming 20 to 30 years we will be having, and ServiceNow will be using by very big companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Deloitte. So why can't Amazon, if Amazon thinks to create a new ITSM tool, why can't he create? Because ServiceNow is a very good interface and everything it is having. So that's the reason they are using ServiceNow in Amazon. Microsoft also, you can also see Microsoft, Amazon, Deloitte, PwC, whatever it is. Apple also they are using ServiceNow only. So no, there is the simple answer is without having the ServiceNow, there is no other organizations. So at least they need to perform one ITSM tool, then only they can start the future of ServiceNow and start the process of ServiceNow. Without ServiceNow, there is no other organizations. So I don't want to teach you this more. So as I already said that I came from the non-technical background. So understand how the scripting can feel at first. That exactly what I have designed my way of teaching ServiceNow scripting to be simple, practical, and easily. Okay, I will tell you in the legacy one. So no need to bother about it. You can learn skills very well. No prior knowledge should be needed. No problem at all. Okay, no such prerequisites required. You just come with a zero knowledge, and I'm there. I'm the one came from the triple E. This is my successful story which I was telling you. So now that's it. Do you have anything else to discuss? Just let me know. If you have any doubts or anything else, just let me know, ma. Okay. These are all the things which I can perform. Daily basis, I will be giving you the interview training approach. I will be giving you the guaranteed placement program. I will get you placed for sure. And mentorship of certificate and everything I can perform you. Let me try to share some feedback messages from me, from where my students has got. Okay, so just let me show you. So before that, we can wrap the session. If you have anything else, just let me know. Do you have any doubts? Anything else? We are
How
having
about
two mobile numbers. One is 8898565222. Another one is like 9014403436. This would be the primary. This would be the admin number. If I am not lifting the call, you can also directly call admin. He can also perform whatever the actions which I can do. Okay? Yeah.
how
Yeah.
about fees?
Fees and everything structure I will be telling the admin will tell you. Okay. So he will be giving you those fee structure details. For now, we have been thought to give us 25K like that. So let's see. We can talk it on later after the session. For now, we have been decided to keep it as a 25K. Why? Because we have been adding HRSD as well over here, and we are having multiple things. So no need to bother about it. Okay. So just come back first, listen to the sessions. After 5 to 6 days or 1 week, you can pay that. Okay. No need to bother about it. Okay. So now,
Okay.
Prashant, tell me.
Hi, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. You have explained everything clearly. I have
Yeah, yeah,
one doubt.
yeah. Please tell me.
Sir, actually, you said that there is an placement guarantee program in
Yeah.
your institute. So,
Yeah.
just only thing I wanted to know that I will. Is there anything like pay after the placement?
Are you asking about the job help or else what?
No, no. Pay after the placement. I will join in your institute and I will take the fee
Yeah, that,
amount. You
that
said
yeah,
that 25K is the fee amount, right?
that I will that you please try to come to our institute. Why? Because these type of things can be. I just wanted to keep this as a privacy. Okay, just come to us and just message us or else just call me or admin. They will definitely help you. Okay, so placement program in the sense first we will see whatever whether it is possible or new not for your career it is possible or not. First we will decide it. Later on, we will tell you whether it is possible or not. Then you can come to us and speak to us. Okay?
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. Actually, I have experience, sir. I am currently working in Cognizant. I say non-IT.
Don't say the company details, yeah. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Just come to us and meet us. We will definitely help you. If you are working, then 100% it is possible. How many
Yeah.
years of experience you have?
I have 2 years of experience.
Okay. Before that, have you done any experience?
Before that, I don't have any experience. Actually, it is from sales and marketing field. But currently in non-IT, I have 2 years of experience, and I know Python and basics of JavaScript also. And front end, I know front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Okay.
Currently, I was ready to learn ServiceNow because it is now, as I go to web development, they are asking full stack, so it is hard to learn.
Yeah, yeah,
So
it is simple now.
and
Service
it
is,
takes more time. So that's why I wanted to learn ServiceNow, and I want to
yeah,
join in 3 months
yeah,
into
yeah,
it.
no. Yeah,
So, but
yeah.
only thing I was tensioned about the payment. I will pay 50,000 after the placement. If your fee is
No, no
55,000,
need to talk about everything. Okay, so we will discuss it later, ma. It's not about the matter of money or whatever it is. You have to
yeah,
settle down for sure. So we will
yeah,
discuss this later. Okay, no need to give us the payment and everything details. Are we asked with the payment details here? No, right?
no,
So
no,
don't. We need not to worry about the payment details and all. We haven't asked you about the payment and everything details right now.
So,
So
sir,
let's
I'll come there and
let's
I'll meet you.
okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah,
So
hello.
apart from, do you have any doubts? Just let me know.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello, who's this?
Yeah, this is Praveen. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, Praveen, tell me.
Yeah, actually, on this course, maybe like scripting is needed, right? So I'm thinking like JavaScript is needed as a little bit, but I'm not sure how much percentage of JavaScript is needed for this to survive. I mean,
JavaScript is needed, but not much because we can basically we will be having two types of JavaScript. So one is non-native and the native JavaScript. Even if you are very good experienced with 20 years or 30 years with other tool, ServiceNow is the one which is new to all. ServiceNow has invented his own language. Okay.
okay.
So even if you are having good experience with other tools like Python, coding, whatever it is,
Yeah,
okay?
actually, I'm working in a reputation. I mean, a company which I'm working on BMC Remedy, a very good
Okay.
competitor to the ServiceNow.
Service now,
But
right, right.
yeah, so I'm just using the BMC remedy, not the developing. So I'm working on the under the incident management team. So that's why
Uh,
I'm just comparing with the service now for this one.
no,
So
no,
I
nothing
just
to
wanted
that.
to know about the percentage of JavaScript is needed for this one to develop.
Percentage, as I said, that 30% of JavaScript is needed, but don't fear about it. I will teach you from the scratch. We will be having scripting. I will morely concentrate on scripting actually. Why? Because multiple members will join this institute because of we can teach the scripting very well and they can survive. I have a proof to show you as well. Okay, I will teach
Mhm.
you very well. Don't worry about it. But we need to
Yeah,
have the script.
yeah.
So
Thank
as
you,
you
thank
can
you.
see here, we do have multiple feedbacks. So as you can see here, yesterday as well, we have been cleared the L2 round and HR discussion has been happened. Okay. So
Okay.
now
And
it will
also
be,
have one more query, like an overall overview of the PPT which you have presented in the Zoom.
yeah,
Like only MNCs are using or level 2 to level 4 companies also using this service now because it is
they are also, they will also
so
use,
costly, right?
but
Mm.
uh, what I can say is like they will also use, but they will try to hire the employees of ServiceNow. They will place you in the other organizations.
Okay, client
Okay,
based.
Client
client
Yeah.
based.
based.
Yeah,
Mm.
those type of
Got
things
it.
there. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Thank you for the info.
yeah.
Hi, Imran. Have some one doubt. Actually, I have worked for 7 years as a financial analyst. Then I
Uh-huh.
got 4 years gap, so I did some personal like business and all. So
Mhm.
total like I completed my masters in 2013. Then I joined company like for I worked for 7 years. Then I got 4 years gap. So now I want to start my career again in service now. So is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Just try to come and meet me. Okay, so you have to say some genuine reasons. You should not say like you just started the business and all. I will tell you.
No, no. Actually it's genuine. Yeah, it's genuine. So nothing
Yeah,
to
yeah.
hide from. Yeah.
You should not say like you have done some business and all. You just need to say like I will tell you
Yeah, in
the
interview, yeah, in interview, yeah, I can understand that. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
But
you just
it's not possible me to come and meet because I'm not staying in Hyderabad anymore.
where do you stay?
I stay in like very far from Hyderabad, like Zairabad and
Okay, okay, okay. Let me just call us. We will get back to you. Let's try
sure.
to call me in the evening at 6 p.m. From morning, we do have some calls to perform. So, okay. So just try to call us in some time or 6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, I'll call you in 6 p. Okay, at 6 p.m.
Yeah, 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 please. So as you can see, my mobile numbers which we are having is we will be available at 90144033436 and 8898565222. This will be the mobile numbers. You need to call to this mobiles. Okay.
Sir, is it an
Or
online
something else.
course or offline course?
For job-oriented things, you can come at the offline. But for now, you just come to online itself. Online is more than enough. On daily basis, we will be having the same link and everything. Okay?
So it's Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday?
Saturday. Saturday will be the this session. Like if you are having any doubts, those everything, then we will check those. Doubts and everything will be clarified on Saturday. Monday to Friday, whatever the doubts you are having, we will clarify it on Saturday. Okay? Chalo then. Let's meet tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay.
Sorry, Imran. I have a
Yeah,
question.
please.
Like, how much is this recommendable for freshers? Like, who want to start their career? Can they take it, or
Good question.
because yeah,
Yeah. So basically, for freshers, there will be no openings there, to be
yeah,
honest.
that's what I
Directly
got to
coming to
know.
ServiceNow, it is anyone is saying that we are having the openings for ServiceNow for freshers. That is a fraud guy. And one more thing, only admin openings we are having, only development openings we are having. No, nothing will be there.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing I'm saying for freshers, I'm damn sure there is no opening for freshers for ServiceNow. At
Yeah.
least you need to fill up the gap. If you are having 2 years of gap and more, then we can start filling up and then start for the process. But there will be no directly fresher jobs for ServiceNow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay then.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any doubts? Anything else? Just please try to feel free to ask us. And me and Subhani are there to help you. And Subhani, do you have anything else to discuss?
Yeah, thank you for being this session. I hope all the doubts you have in the service now will clear. And
One
you are
last, sorry, sorry for interrupting you, Subhani bhai.
paying for this.
There is one last
Yeah,
doubt
yeah,
that I need to ask.
yes, you can. Okay. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
So you are
Karthik,
paying for the 1 hour means you have a lot of enthusiasm to join in the session. So hope you are all join these courses. Thank you for being in this session. Yeah,
okay then.
thank you.
Okay.
Nice. And we can stop this today. Please try to join on daily basis. And let's connect back tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the morning. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
It's the same
Yeah,
link,
if you
right,
guys
Imran?
have
Tell
any
me.
doubts regarding this, yeah, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, if you have any doubts regarding the payment or anything else, you directly contact to me because Imran somewhat busy in his work and I am available to you all guys. If I'm not, I will definitely call for some time.
Okay then. Bye. Bye all.